If your repair shop does great work, but the phone isn't ringing, it's not your skills, it's your visibility. Today, I'll show you a simple local SEO setup that helps customers find you when they search repair near me. First, create one page per core service. Brake repair, AC recharge, screen replacement, whatever you sell. On each page, answer 4 questions clearly: what you fix, who it's for, typical turnaround time, and what to expect on price. Add real photos from your shop, not stock images. Second, add location signals naturally. Mention your city, a few nearby areas you serve, and 1 or 2 landmarks. Keep it readable, no keyword stuffing. Third, add trust blocks, certifications, warranty details, financing options, and a short FAQ that removes fear. Do I need an appointment? Do you provide estimates? What brands do you service? Fourth, make it easy to act. A click to call button, a fast quote form, and a map embed. Finally, earn local links, sponsor a youth team, join the chamber, and ask suppliers to link to you as a recommended shop. Do these steps for 30 days and you'll see more calls.